Hello and welcome, team.
500,000.
Maintenance department.
How to set up Fetco CBS 2241.
Welcome to your Fetco NG brewer. Today we're going to unbox, set up, and completely install your new brewer. Next, we'll notice right away we see the installation instructions. Read through this for any safety information, everything you need to know about your plumbing, water, and power installation needs. Set it aside for instructions down the road and for your service technician to take a look. Any utilities have been connected. At this point in your setup, you're ready to work with a qualified beverage equipment service technician. They're going to be able to install the power specific to your needs, as well as complete the water line installation. Once the machine is completely installed, at this point we are ready to power it on if needed. After you've unpacked your brewer, but before you connect it to any utilities, you're going to attach the brew legs. They're going to be found in the brew basket. You'll find two different size legs. You'll see 1-inch legs and 2.5-inch legs. The 1-inch legs are going to be better for smaller air pots and 1-gallon dispensers, while the taller 2.5-inch legs are going to be for larger air pots. Make sure to install these while the machine is off and before any utilities have been connected. At this point in your setup, you're ready to go ahead and install your water. The way that you're going to do this is install the water inlet valve by screwing it in and then connecting the necessary water line that you need to get the proper flow rate in your space. After that, you'll notice that your power is already completely installed from the factory. All you need to do is plug the machine in, turn it on, and let the tank start to fill up with water. After that, you'll be ready to move into the programming portion of the setup. Now that your machine is set up and ready to go, you're ready to go ahead and enter the programming mode. To do this, you'll turn the machine off and then turn it back on. There's going to be a little wheel that pops up and spins. Once that goes away, you're going to press the screen for 3 seconds. After that, you'll be prompted to enter a password. To enter this main operator password, you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 and enter. Or to enter the service password, you're going to do 9876. The difference of these two passwords is the operator password is going to give you just function for these first 3 options, versus the service password will give you options to change everything on the settings screen. When you go into brew recipes, you're going to see the different abilities you have to have 4 different programs, different recipes that you can edit and change. You can see the 2 that are live right now are going to be highlighted in blue, versus the gray are options that are currently disabled. Let's go into batch 1 and go ahead and edit this. I'm going to go ahead and change the name here. If I wanted to do that, I'd do that there. I'm going to change the volume from 3.8 to 4 liters. You can change the brew time here. This is the time that the coffee is actively brewing. This does not include your total drip out time. 4 minutes is a good place to start.